Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about hyperinflation, what it is, and its possible effects on the economy. Hyperinflation is a phenomenon where the general price level of goods and services in an economy increases at an extremely rapid rate. In some cases, prices can double or triple in a matter of days or even hours. While hyperinflation is rare, it can have a catastrophic impact on an economy. One example of hyperinflation can be seen in Venezuela in recent years. The country has experienced a period of hyperinflation, with prices rising at an astronomical rate. At its peak in 2018, the inflation rate was estimated to be over 1,000,000% annually. This made it difficult for citizens to afford basic goods and services, leading to shortages and economic instability. There are several reasons why hyperinflation can occur. One is an increase in the money supply, which can reduce the value of currency and lead to higher prices. Another is a loss of confidence in the government or central bank, which can lead to a rush to convert currency into other assets. The effects of hyperinflation can be devastating. It can lead to the collapse of the economy, as businesses are unable to operate and citizens are unable to afford basic necessities. It can also lead to political instability, as citizens become increasingly frustrated with the government's inability to address the problem. In response to hyperinflation, central banks can take extreme measures such as currency redenomination, price controls, or even replacing the currency altogether. However, these measures can be difficult to implement and may not be effective in addressing the root causes of hyperinflation. In the end, hyperinflation is a rare but devastating phenomenon that can have a catastrophic impact on an economy. If you're interested in learning more about economy and world, be sure to check out our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.